Today's topic is all about rental furniture. So, you've rented furniture from companies like Buddy's Furniture, Rent-A-Center, or Aaron's, but now things are getting tricky. Maybe you're behind on payments, or maybe you just forgot to return the furniture. You might be wondering, can you really go to jail for not returning rental furniture? It might seem like a simple mistake, but the legal consequences could be more serious than you think. So let's dive into the heart of the issue. Can you go to jail for not returning rental furniture? The short answer is yes. In some cases, failing to return rental furniture can lead to serious legal consequences. Companies like Rent-A-Center or Buddy's Furniture may press charges, treating it as theft. Not returning rental furniture or falling behind on payments can result in one of two things: a misdemeanor or felony, depending on the value of the furniture. A misdemeanor could get you anywhere from 30 days to a year in jail. On the other hand, felony theft charges could apply if the furniture is valuable enough, and that could mean 1 to 10 years in prison. It might sound extreme, but some major rental furniture companies treat these situations very seriously. If you don't return rented items or don't pay for them, they can, and often do, press charges. Visit FreeAdvice.com to get legal help for rental furniture issues in your area. Visit our website today to discover your options, make decisions on your next step, and find a legal expert who can answer any of your questions. Understanding rental agreements. Rental agreements play a huge role here. Whenever you rent furniture, you sign an agreement that outlines your responsibilities, like making payments on time and returning the furniture. Breaking that agreement could lead to a lawsuit, fines, or worse, jail time. So always read the fine print and understand the rules before signing. If you're struggling to make payments or return the items, the best thing you can do is contact the rental company and explain your situation. Legal and financial consequences. Let's break down the potential consequences of not returning rental furniture. There are several things that can happen. Number 1, legal action. You could be sued for breach of contract. Number 2, financial penalties. You may face late fees or fines. Number 3, loss of deposit. If you gave a security deposit, you could lose it. Number 4, damage charges. If the furniture is damaged, you may have to pay for repairs or replacement. Number 5, credit damage. Unpaid bills could hurt your credit score. Number 6, loss of rental privileges. Future rental companies may refuse to rent to you. Number 7, collection agencies. Your debt could be sent to a collection agency. These consequences can snowball if you don't address the problem early. And it gets even worse. Some people have even ended up in jail over this. If you are feeling unsure from legal side of things, visit FreeAdvice.com. On our site, you'll be able to research any legal issues you have questions about and find a legal expert who can help you navigate your unique situation. Civil versus criminal consequences. Now let's talk about civil versus criminal consequences. If you fail to pay or return rental furniture, the company can take civil action by suing you. However, if the company believes you are intentionally keeping the furniture without paying, they can escalate it to criminal charges, treating it as theft. For example, Rent-A-Center can file a civil suit to get their money or items back. But if they think you're deliberately withholding their property, they may involve the police and file criminal charges. Companies like Aaron's or Buddy's Furniture have similar policies. Non-payment could result in repossession or, in extreme cases, criminal charges for theft. Got some questions? We've got answers. Find expert advice on any legal issue for free. Visit today, FreeAdvice.com. Steps to take if you can't return rental furniture. So, what can you do if you're in a situation where you can't return the furniture? First things first, don't ignore the problem. Take these steps to avoid legal trouble. Number 1, call the rental company. Explain your situation. Most companies are willing to work with you if you're upfront. Number 2, fix the issue quickly. The longer you wait, the worse the consequences can get. Handle it before they escalate to legal action. Number 3, negotiate. Try to negotiate a payment plan or an extension if you can't pay immediately. Don't wait until it's too late. Communication is key here. Felony theft for high-value furniture. Now let's talk about felony theft. Whether your failure to return rental furniture is considered a felony depends on the value of the furniture and your state's laws. In many states, if the value exceeds $1,000, it could be treated as felony theft. Felony threshold. Furniture worth $1,000 or more possible felony. If that's the case, you could face fines, jail time, or both. For example, Rent-A-Center, Buddy's Furniture, and Aaron's can all press felony theft charges if they feel you're not honoring the rental agreement and the furniture meets the felony threshold. Not returning rental furniture can be considered felony theft. Rental companies take this seriously. For example, can Rent-A-Center press charges? Yes, they can if you don't return the furniture or stop paying for it. The same goes for other companies. Buddy's Furniture can press charges on you if you violate the rental agreement. And can Aaron's press charges? Absolutely. They can consider it theft. In some cases, there might even be a Buddy's Home Furnishings lawsuit filed to get their property back. So, to sum it all up, can you go to jail for not returning rental furniture? Yes, it's definitely possible. If the value of the furniture is high enough, or if the company believes you're keeping it on purpose without paying, you could face serious legal trouble, including jail time. For more advice, visit FreeAdvice.com and enter your zip code to get legal assistance with rental furniture matters. Key takeaways: always read and understand your rental agreement. 2. Stay on top of payments. 3. Communicate with the rental company if you're having trouble. 4. Don't let things escalate to criminal charges. So before renting furniture, it's important to consider several factors to ensure you're making the right decision. Here's a checklist of things to do. Assess your needs. Determine what furniture pieces you actually need. Consider your lifestyle. If you have children or pets, you may need durable, stain-resistant furniture. Set a budget. Decide how much you are willing to spend on furniture rentals. Compare the cost of renting furniture over time to buying new or second-hand furniture. Check if the rental company has flexible payment plans or options for long-term rentals at a discount. Research rental companies. Look for reputable furniture rental companies with good customer reviews. Ensure they offer delivery, setup, and pickup services. Check the terms of the rental agreement, such as the duration, flexibility to extend or shorten the lease, and any penalties for early termination. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped shed some light on the legal consequences of not returning rental furniture. Remember, understanding your rights and responsibilities is crucial to avoiding unnecessary disputes. Save time, save money, get free legal help, get the legal answers you need without paying a cent. Head to FreeAdvice.com now. If you've ever had issues with rental companies, drop a comment below and share if you find this information useful, as your experiences could help others navigate similar challenges. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on legal topics, insurance coverage, and more. We'd love to hear your stories, tips, or advice on how you resolved those situations to make this a supportive community for everyone. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at the next video.